Hi, I'm Ananya, and for as long as I can remember, I'd had the biggest expectations for my life for the year 2025. Not sure if it's because 25 is a perfect square, making it seem like an important number, or that this was the silver jubilee of my existence, or the fact that people told me that I would stop being so childish all the time when I turn 25 because a switch will flip, my head will start to glow, and I will experience what they call the quarter life crisis. बाकी सबका तो पता नहीं, पर ये crisis वाली बात बिल्कुल सच निकली because instead of unlocking new goals, I unlocked new problems all year. And कोई switch वगैरह flip नहीं हुआ भाई. The only thing that actually flipped was my employer who just decided to mess up my life and career for some reason, which eventually led to me wrapping up my entire life and leaving the country that I worked so hard to be in. And in the process of figuring out what to do in this unexpectedly unfortunate circumstance, I had to cancel my fully booked dream Japan trip. I messed up my sleep and diet from the stress of job hunting, and I started to lose trust and felt disconnected from everyone. I lost thousands of dollars worth of stuff while wrapping up my apartment that I could no longer afford. And of course, I had to not so gracefully let go of the American dream. Not only did I not hit any new milestones, it felt like the ones that I had already achieved also got uprooted. It's the end of the year reel, not the end of my life reel. Jeez. On that note, let's look at some silver linings, shall we? I may have lost a job, but in the process, I finally found the space and time to rekindle my truest ambition. I may have been let down by the people that I trusted with my future, but in the process, I was picked up by 25,000 strangers on the internet who poured unconditional love on me, and now I feel like I can trust again. I mean, 25,000 besties in the year 2025. Tell me a bigger win. I did lose my dream apartment and moved out of the city, but in the process, I moved in with Ishan in Boston and I spent quality time like never before. I still can't believe that I had to cancel my fully booked big fat Japan trip, but instead I traveled the states, and until this year I had not been to a real concert before. And इस साल यूएस का टूर मारते मारते पूरे 5 कॉन्सर्ट के टूर भी मार ही लिए भाई. And then दिल पे पत्थर रख के बोरी बस्ता बांध के I had to leave the US, but in the process I went back to my home country India for the first time in 3 years with no strings attached. Not to mention I also got famous in the process, and I may have said many goodbyes this year, but I said way more hellos. Finally coming to the biggest loss, my big American dream. And now I'm about to step into a whole new world, and who knows, it might turn out simply better. So maybe what feels like my biggest loss today might become my biggest win tomorrow. And maybe goals were never about checking off a list. And maybe they've always been about growth and transformation. About things that make you a better version of yourself. So maybe I didn't lose myself in the process. Maybe I just evolved into a better version of me. I mean, whatever it may or may not be. In the end, it's all perspective. On that note,